Hello guys and welcome in this new video. It may be a good idea to clean and replace the thermal paste on your Bitaxe when you first get it, especially if it was shipped by air, as the paste might have shifted during the transport. Also, reapplying the paste every so often if you notice higher temperatures. In fact, over time, the old paste can dry out and lose its efficiency, making the cooling worse. To do this, you just need to clean off the old paste with isopropyl alcohol, apply a small amount of new paste and reattach the cooler evenly. This helps keeping your Bitaxe running cool and stable. To get started replacing the paste, you need the following items. Of course, a Bitaxe, in this case this is the DTV Electronics Bitaxe Gamma, thermal paste, including possibly a spatula that will help you to apply the paste, a screwdriver to remove the cover, isopropyl alcohol, and some earbuds. To get started, remove your Bitaxe from the power, wait around half an hour that the temperatures will normalize to ambient temperature, and then you will need to remove the case, in this case, by removing the 4 feet and then the 4 screws underneath. Let's remove now the fan by removing the 4 screws and then the connector. Then it's time to remove the heatsink, which is kind of clipped to the motherboard. You need to push these kind of springs from the other side of the board.
A few moments later.
You can now proceed to remove the old thermal paste by using isopropyl alcohol. You can start from the heatsink. Then you can proceed with the chip. As you can see, now the old paste has been completely removed. After cleaning the heatsink and the chip, it's now time to put the new paste. You can also spread the paste better on the chip by using a spatula, usually included with the thermal paste. After applying the new paste, you can also proceed by cleaning the heatsink with a brush. After everything has been cleaned, you can proceed by reapplying the heatsink. Please double check that the clips are in place. After installing the heatsink, you can proceed to install also the fan. Remember also the connector. Everything is in place. You can now bring back the Bitaxe inside its own case. And that's it. Let's go now on XOS to see if the temperatures got lower. After putting back the case, the screws, the fit, and having connected the Bitaxe to the power network and also to the Wi-Fi, I waited around 7 minutes to see the temperatures. And as you can see, compared to a previous ASIC temperature of 60.4 degrees, now is only 54.3. So we got 6 degrees less. Also, the voltage regulator temperature is around 1 degree less than before. The fan speed is much lower, and I noticed that the gamma is now much more silent than before, because now is spinning at around 7300 RPM, and before it was over 9300 RPM. So I have to say that this thermal paste change has been very successful. If you would like to get a Bitaxe Gamma by DTV Electronics, please check the links in the description. You can get one by paying with Bitcoin on the official store or with fiat on Amazon worldwide. See you at the next one.